Okay, so Franken Mogul lives. So one of the things we got done tonight is we made our touch-off pad a complete unit and removable. So when you want to adjust your material height, you just go ahead and plug that right into here. We added that. Thank you, Matt Giddle. Then you set your material down with your block on it. Then, now I'm going to go home. Yes. It'll go down there. And touch off. Alright, so now it knows where this is, because we measured this and accounted for that. So once that's done, just remove that. Okay. Let's try that again. Now I'm going to home that. Okay. Remove it. Set my X home, my Y home. Now I'm going to execute program. Yeah, and see, it automatically turned itself, the motor off, all on its own. So we got that wired in and working. So we got our touch-off pad. We need to refine the limit switches a little bit, and we're good. Mogul lives.